Hello everyone, this is my very first time to greet you all through this video. Today, I will give you some information that I've got before from my first speaker. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Ardi Rahmanu. You can call me Ardi. I'm 21 years old now. I was born in Jember, East Java, but now I live in Jayapura as a contractor of some projects. I have been working here since 2019 and I enjoy my profession. Now, I joining the ABA class because I want to escalate my English skill, whether this for my personal life or my work life. Okay, that's all about myself. So, let's move to the next topic. It is about my first weekend. From this first weekend, I understand that there are some rules and regulations in this class. We cannot join this class carelessly, so the tutor gives us some rules and regulations. I will mention all of the rules that must be obeyed by me and other mates in this ABA class. Okay. First rule, all communication must be in English. Of course, because we are in the English class. No other language we use in this class to increase our skill in English. Second rules. In the second rules, all writing communication in formal way. No social media jargon. For example, lol or laugh out loud. Third, no copy-paste action or plagiarism for every test. Fourth rules, no Google Translation without editing. From this, I conclude that we can use Google Translation only for searching a meaning of some words. But it must be good if we use a textbook dictionary. The third rules. There are forum and assignment for every week that must be done for the student if we want to pass this class. Sixth rules. From the weekend, we also know how to answer to questions for each language skill. For example, for the reading or listening section, we can use alphabet for the answer. For the writing, of course, we must make some passage. And for speaking, is making video like what I do right now. 7 rules. The last thing that really important is a very assignment that use source cannot be taken from Wikipedia and personal blog except the expert in the field. So that's all the point from the first weekend. I hope we all can enjoy the DABA class and pass this with a good score. Thank you for watching.